Amaji Samatun Tain, Radio Voice of St. London.
This is Dr. Terry Jackson. Please tune in. Yazir Kazi. Please listen to this show. This is a very informative show and it will change your life.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent, the creator of all the universes, the creator of you, the creator of me, the creator of mankind, the creator of all the creatures dwelling in all the universes all around. He is very kind and more kind than we can think ever. You are listening to Radio Voice of St. London, the depictor and the disseminator of the sorrows and pains, happinesses and joys and all the colors related to Sindh and Indus Valley civilization. And this is the popular weekly English radio show of Radio Voice of St. London, which is Indus Melodies. And this is me, Yasir Kazi, with the 21st edition of Indus Melodies of season 1 of the same show, and saying you assalamu alaikum, haqq mawjood, barhaq mawjood, Sindh mawjood, Sada Mawjood, Namaskar, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Mujrosa, and welcome to the show. Hi folks, I hope you are doing good, and this is my prayer, this is my wish, this is the expression of my best regards, not only on the behalf of myself, but on the behalf of whole the team of Radio Voice of St. London and Indus Melodies, that you may live long with sound health and happiness, real joys of the world, real joys of the life. Folks, I hope you had a great week and you are heading towards a great and fantastic weekend. This is my prayer and wish and desire, and I hope that you would find a tremendous weekend, inshallah. This is Saturday today, and looking at the calendar, all the calendars, all the 3 calendars, this is 10th of Magh. Magh is the 11th month of the Bakrami calendar, the Sindhi calendar, the local calendar, 10th of Magh, and this calendar is 2077. The year of the Sindhi calendar is 2077, 2077. The Bakrami calendar, the local calendar. As far as the Gregorian calendar is concerned, today is the 23rd day of January 2021, the very first month of 2021. This is the 21st year of the 21st century, and this is the first month, and the date is 23. As I shared with you that this is the 21st edition of Indus Melodies, season 1 of Indus Melodies, live from Radio Voice of St. London. So folks, make your watches with us. This is 3:07 as per Pakistan Standard Time, 2:07 as per UAE Standard Time, 3:33 as per Indian Standard Time, 6:03 as per Eastern Time. I'm in Washington DC, New York City and Toronto and the areas around these cities, which is called GMT-4, UTC-5 or Eastern Time. 6:03 as per Eastern Time and 10:03 a.m. in the morning as per UK Standard Time. Let's start our show with the name of the sacred name of Almighty Allah, and this is Allan Fakir, who is hopeful, who is extremely hopeful that Maula Kando Meher, the God will do better, and whatever he does, that is in our benefit, and he knows that how we are benefited, so whatever he would do in our favor. Let's start with this hymn in the voice of Allan Fakir.
अजोल तमिया सिरो दे तजुगो जले नसी लालाई जो शाब लतीफ चे अल्लाह ओ हालत मुयजूई धोजा ढक्कन थी धोजा ढक्कन थी ओ मुझे मदान मौला कंदू मार मुझी मौला कंदू मार मौला कंदू मार मुझी अला कंदू मार मौला कंदू मार मुझी अला कंदू मार अल्लाहु अल्लाहु हादी दे हथड़ा ओ हादी दे हथड़ा हादी दे हथड़ा ला हादी दे हथड़ा अच चिक्कण मंजा चार चिक्कण मंजा चार चिक्कण मंजा चार लाओ मौला कंदू मार मुझी मौला कंदू मार अल्लाह कंदू मार मुझी मौला कंदू मार अल्लाहु अल्लाहु करम सान करीम जी वो करम सान करीम जी करम सान करीम जी करम सान करीम जी सब लगाईंदो पार सब लगाईंदो पार अल्लाह मौला कंदू मार मुझी मौला कंदू मार अल्लाह कंदू मार मुझी मौला कंदू मार अल्लाहु अल्लाहु अल्लाह अब्दुल लतीफ खे ओ अल्लाह अब्दुल लतीफ अल्लाह अल्लाह अब्दुल लतीफ खे ओ अल्लाह अब्दुल लतीफ दातर दे अधिकार दातर दे अधिकार ओ दातर दे अधिकार अल्लाह मौला कंदू मार मुझी मौला कंदू मार मौला कंदू मार मुझी अल्लाह कंदू मार अल्लाह कंदू मार मुझी मौला कंदू मार अल्लाह कंदू मार मुझी मौला कंदू मार
Alright folks, we started with the second name of Almighty Allah, the Most Merciful, and this voice was Allan Faqir's voice. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this is Indus Melodies, the 21st edition of Indus Melodies. Let me share with you that which are the voices which would be ornamenting our today's show. We would be listening a while after this conversation, right after this conversation, the tremendous voices of Alamgir and Benjamin sisters, and then we would be listening Mahar Simi, Ghulam Shabir Sammo, Mai Dhrai, Singar Ali Salim, Farah Junejo, Ustad Muhammad Yusuf, Humaira Channa, Mehnaz, Rajab Ali, Manzoor Sakhirani, Shaukat Ali and Yasir Qazi. Let me share with you that which are the lyricists, which are the poets whose beautiful poetry would be a part of today's show. You would be listening the poetries of Hazrat Sachal Sarmast, Maqsood Gul, Umeed Khairpuri, Sayyid Lal Hussain Shah, Abdul Ghaffar Tabassum and Sail Azad. So these are the lyricists, these are the poets who would be decorating today's show. So now let's listen to this beautiful duet by Alamgir and Benjamin sisters. And this very duet says that it's my wish and desire, my within size to be involved with, to be in love with someone, because I'm feeling hopeful to be in love with someone. And I hope that soon I would get a lifelong partner with whom I would be sharing my life for the rest of my life. Let's listen to this beautiful duet.
एक नए जज्बे जिया चरखी पाँव चरखी पाँव कैसा लाए जे मुल्क सा माहौल के महकाए जे दिल चवे थी 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 दिल चवे थी।
Dil chave thi nih kaisa laye je, and this is my desire to ornament, to decorate the living around me with the beautiful smile which comes after being in love with someone. You're listening to Radio Voice of Sin London, and this is me, Yasir Kazi, with you, welcoming you to the show. As you know, today is 23rd of January, and tomorrow is 24th of January, and tomorrow is the date on which Winston Churchill, the great British politician, writer, and Nobel laureate, who also was a part of the British military before being in politics, and he is the former Prime Minister of the Great Britain, was demised. He left on January 24, 1965. The beautiful and great voice of Sindhi music, Ustad Muhammad Juman, also departed in 1990 on January 24, and the beautiful compere as well as actress of Sindhi dramas and Sindhi features and radio and television, Ghazala Rafiq, departed on January 24, 1977. Tomorrow. Tomorrow is the demise anniversary of Churchill, as well as Ustad Muhammad Juman, as well as Ghazala Rafiq, and also eminent Urdu columnist and journalist Irshad Ahmad Haqqani left us in Lahore on January 24, 2010. So let's pay tribute to all these personalities on their demise anniversary tomorrow.
जे नी हजा गहनए नी हजा रंग सारा कणी रूप सारा कणी अज तरंगन सा दुनिया सवारे चरियूं अज तरंगीन आलम बणाए चरियूं ईद जे नी हजा कहने नी हजा को भी उनको न गम को भी रंजो अलम न बाकी रहे दर्द थन सब खत्म दिल जा दुख सूर सारा बुलाए चलूं तरंगीन आलम बनाए चलूं ईद जे नी हजा कहने नी हजा जा काफिला साथ जा सिलसिला शाल हलना रहन मोहब्बती मामला प्यार पैगाम सबके बुधाए चलूं अज तरंगीन आलम बढ़ाए चलूं ईद जे नी हजा कहने नी हजा नफरत कढ़ी है जमा अज मिलूं ईद जे डी हते खूब खुशती खिलूं प्यार सादे हुयास रस जाए चलूं अतरंगीन आलम बनाए चलूं ईद जे ॾींह जा कहने नीह जा रंग सारा खणी रूप सारा खणी अच तरंगन सां दुनिया सवारे छॾियूं अच तरंगीन आलम बणाए छॾियूं
So listeners, I hope you recognize the voice that who was this, who was singing this song written by himself. This was myself, the host and your old friend, presenting this Indus Melodies, these Indus Melodies for your listening pleasure from Radio Voice of St. London. I mean, this was Yasir Qazi singing the poetry of Yasir Qazi, and this poetry, this very song, side that on the day of Eid, on the day of the festive of Eid, let's pick all the colors of happinesses and let's paint out this whole society in which we live so that this may be beautiful and this may be out of all errors. This is impossible in the real world to be out of error, but we can try to make this society ornamented with love, with sincerity, with what we do should be done with sincerity, with purity, and with giving the best of our performance, ability, excellence, as well as sincerity, because sincerity is the first and foremost rule which is involved in every relation as well as whatever we do. It is very necessary to be involved with the 100% sincerity. So listeners, heading towards another beautiful song, though this is a tragic song, but I hope that you would not be gloomy after listening this song, because songs should be listened musically also to appreciate the tune and the arrangement and the singing style and the lyrics and the presentation, overall presentation of the song. So don't get gloomy and listen to the song sung by Meher Simi, who says it is hopeless to be hopeful from the memories only, because these are only empty memories. Promises which are not kept don't water your life to be cherished. Let's listen to this beautiful melody.
हाल यादुन
Folks, this was Meher Simi who was singing Khali Yadun Mein Char Kyo Aahi. You're listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this is Indus Melodies. Welcome to the show. Raza Muhammad Zardari Sahab, I'm extremely thankful to you that you're listening to our today's show, as well as you regularly listen to Suraj Shahun Kadiyun and keep forwarding your feedback through your messages and comments and inbox messages. Thank you so much. Sayyid Asim Ali Shah alias Danish Shah from Shikarpur, the Paris of Sindh. Thank you very much that you listen to our show. Not only you, but your venerated, esteemed mother also listens to our show. Not only listen to our show, but appreciates and likes our show, and every of the feedback against every of the show, our Sindhi shows as well as Indus Melodies is reached to us with the expression of extreme gratefulness from the behalf of all the team of Indus Melodies as well as Suraj Shahun Kadiyun. Thank you very much, Shah Sahab. Jibran Ahmed Sahab, you listen to our all the shows and forward your feedback. Thank you very much. Nigat Seema, thank you very much for your feedback against all the shows, as well as Ashik Ali Sahab alias Engineer Ali Musani Sahab, who listens to our show in Abu Dhabi, UAE. Thank you very much for your positive feedback against every of the show. We keep receiving your feedback against all the shows, and we are grateful for every of your feedback. This is Ghulam Shabir Sammo singing the poetry, the lyrics written by Ummeed Khairapuri.
दिल खुशी अखां जुदा करे वे तुसी, दिल खुशी अखां जुदा करे वे तुसी, गम जिगरते अता करे वे तुसी, दिल खुशी अखां जुदा करे वे तुसी, दिल खुशी अखां जुदा करे वे तुसी, गम जिगरते अता करे वे तुसी, दिल खुशी अखां जुदा करे वे तुसी। दर्द अकेला दवा करे वे तुसी, दर्द अकेला दवा करे वे तुसी, दर्द अकेला दवा करे वे तुसी, जियड़ाए हता करे वे तुसी, दिल खुशी अखां जुदा करे वे तुसी, गम जिगरते अता करे वे तुसी, दिल खुशी अखां जुदा करे वे तुसी। रात सारी गणे गणे तारा, रात सारी गणे गणे तारा, रात सारी गणे गणे तारा, इंतजारी अदा करे वे तुसी, इंतजारी अदा करे वे तुसी, दिल खुशी अखां जुदा करे वे तुसी, गम जिगरते अता करे वे तुसी, दिल खुशी अखां जुदा करे वे तुसी। हर सितम खे दुआ करे रे खुश दिल खुशी अखा जुदा करे रे खुश हम जिगर थे
I detached my heart from the happinesses, from the forthcoming happinesses which were about to decorate my life, which were about to cherish my life, which were about to brighten my life, but I detached my heart from those happinesses, and this was the great mistake done by me. These were the lyrics written by Ummeed Khairapuri, and Ummeed Khairapuri is considered and called to be the king of Qato. And Qato is a genre, a poetic genre, which consists of 4 lines. This could be called as a 4-liner also. As I write in Daily Awami Awaz on daily basis, this is called Qato or Chausitro in Sindhi. We have Sindhitized the Persian word for Qato, which is Chaustro. So this is a 4-liner verse, and in Sindhi, Ummeed Khairapuri is considered to be Qate Jo Badshah, the king of that Qato, that Chausitro. You're listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this is Indus Melodies, which is being broadcasted every Saturday, 3 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time. Someone asked me that which are the eras of various dynasties who ruled over Sindh. So let me share with you in brief, because this is a great detail, but explaining in short, let's discuss that Pakistan came into being on August 15th, 1947. Actual date of independence is 15, because the transfer of power was made on 15th August 1947. So before that it was British era, which started from 1843 and ended up at 14th August of 1947. So this is British era from 1843 to 1947. Before that is Talpur era, or the dynasty of Mirs or Sindh, which started from 1788 and ended up at 1843. And there was a war which is called Miani Ji Jang, the Battle of Miani. Actually this is a twin war, which is Miani Ji Jang and Dube Ji Jang, the Battle of Miani, which was converted into the Battle of Dubo, where Hosh Muhammad Shidi was martyred, and that ended up with the rule of Britishers over Sindh. Before that, Kalhoda period, and Kalhodas ruled over Sindh from 1719 to 1788 and there was a short war, there was a short battle, perhaps the shortest battle of the world, that was Halani Behlani Ji Jang, the Battle of Halani and Behlani, which took place in present days Naushad Feroz district near Halani, in fact between the villages of Halani and Behlani, that ended up with the Talpur rule. But before that, from 1719 to 1788, there was Kalhoda rule. Before that, 2 of the breeds of Mughals, which were Arghun and Tarkhans, they ruled over Sindh from 1599 to 1719 Before Mughals, Arghuns and Tarkhans, there was Sama period, and Sama dynasty ruled over Sindh from 1351 to 1599, 1351 to 1599. And before that was Sumra period, Sumra dynasty, that was over Sindh from 1050 to 1351, i.e. 1050 AD to 1351 AD. So these both periods, Sama and Sumra, and then after Arghuns and Tarkhans, the Kalhoda period, these were 3 periods which were ruled over Sindh by Sindhis, by the indigenous people, by the people of Sindh.
अरे थाना जी मरिया ना जुड़ार दे सारे अरे जी मरिया ना जुड़ा दे सा दे मुझे घेतरी ये नाता ने अरे मुरली मुरली करे बगारी सुना मुझे मुरली रो रात मुरली रे करे बगारी अरे राते सुतोड़ी नमला सपनियार लादार ए अरे राते सुतोड़ी ना सपनियार लादार सुतोड़ा ढोके ते बाजाक मुरली रे करे बगाड़ी वेला सुना मुझे मुरली रो लागे अरे मुरली मुरली करे बगाड़ी
Murli, this was the Dhatki folk song sung by Maidrai, and Maidrai, the great artist from Thar, the third desert of Sindh, and a major part of Sindh, a beautiful part which is culturally rich as well as literally rich, and as far as the folklore, the folk literature of Thar is concerned, that is extremely rich, on which there are several PhDs which are consisting of the research on the folk literature of Thar part of Sindh. You're listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this is Indus Melodies, and these are the lyrics by Sayyid Lal Hussain Shah sung by Singar Ali Salim, which says that today I'm honored, I'm privileged to welcome the guests of the choice of my within, and this is my great honor to welcome those. Now I'm confused that how can I welcome, how should I welcome my guests, whether should I kiss their feet or my courtyard, my doorsteps where they have come. Let's listen to these beautiful lyrics by Singar Ali Salim.
अंगन अजीब नसीब बलाया अंगन अजीब नसीब बलाओ हो अंगन चुमा या अजीब चुमा ओहो अंगन चुमा या अजीब चुमा आया अंगन अजीब अची के चिलपुर्ब कमाल कयो अची के चिलपुर्ब कमाल कयो भरे नीह निगाह सा निहाल कयो हुई हीअड़े में हुब हबीब मिलिया हुई हीअड़े में हुब हबीब मिलिया उहा हुब चुमा या हबीब चुमा उहा हुब चुमा या हबीब चुमा आया अंगण अजीब नसीब बलाया अंगण अजीब ओ नसीब भला उहो अंगण चुमा या अजीब चुमा आया अंगण अजीब आयन ते हसान मुर्की महबूबन कयो दिनो ॾाढे ॾाह सां पिरत जो पैमान खणी मुंह मोनन मां करे निगह निशान वसकाहुम रब्बहुम शराबन तहूरा ॾिनई मैं खान आलम जे सुल्तान मूंखे सौदो सोज़ सुतत ॾिनो ओ मुर्की मारू वड़ने मंजूर कयो मुर्की मारू वड़ने मंजूर कयो ॾेई मोहब्बत में मखमूर कयो पुनिया सयखिन जी अजीब मिलिया पुनिया सयखिन जी अजीब मिलिया उहा आस जुमा या अजीब जुमा उहा आस जुमा या अजीब जुमा आया अंगण अजीब नसीब भला आया अंगण अजीब हो नसीब भला उहो अंगण चुमा या अजीब चुमा उहो अंगण चुमा या अजीब चुमा आया अंगण अजीब लब न लोडिन लाडला तोड़े सड़ी थियन खाक बिरह संदी बाहे में हिन कदम जनी बेबाक अल फिराक अशद मिनल मौत तभी हरदम हिन हुशनाक पलव जनी जा पाक इश्क तनी दरायो हमारे मर्ज मिजाज जमाम दिनों मारे मर्ज मिजाज जमाम दिनों सोज साम पयन खे साम दिनों सोज साम पयन खे साम दिनों जहें तौर अचेत तबी बरसा जहें तौर अचेत तबी बरसा उहे तौर जुमा या तबीब जुमा उहे तौर जुमा या तबीब जुमा आया अंगण अजीब नसीब भला आया अंगण अजीब हो नसीब भला उहो अंगण चुमा या अजीब चुमा उहो अंगण चुमा या अजीब चुमा आया अंगण अजीब नसीब
So listeners, Aya Angana Ajeeb Naseeb Bhala, Ue Angana Chamaya Ajeeb Chuma. This is my luck, this is my privilege to welcome the guests of my within, the guests of my choice on my doorsteps. This was Singar Ali Salim, and Singar Ali Salim was basically not a Sindhi speaking singer, you know. He was a migrant. He migrated from India and then dwelled in Rohdi, the town of Sindh, and then he adopted himself as Sindhi, as Wafa Nathan Shahi, a great name of Sindhi poetry, a great name of Sindhi literature, belonged to a UP and Bihari family. He was a migrant and then he migrated and lived near Khairpur Nathan Shah, a town of Dadu district, but he composed poetry in Sindhi and he is considered to be an eminent poet of Sindhi ghazal. So is Singar Ali Salim, who was not a Sindhi speaking, but he made his identity as a Sindhi singer and composer and extremely talented composer of Sindhi music. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London, and these are the lyrics written by Sahil Azad and sung by Suleiman Shah and Farah Junejo. Let's listen to this beautiful song.
जान झूरे पई जुदाई तूं किथे ऐं मां किथे जान जो रे पई जुदाई तूं किथे ऐं मां किथे
कई मुक़दर बेवफ़ाई कई मुक़दर बेवफ़ाई तूं किथे ऐं मां किथे
जान जो रे पई जुदाई मौत जो को वक्त कोने मिल सघो सुहिणा सजण मौत जो को वक्त कोने मिल सघो सुहिणा सजण
ज़िंदगी आहे पराई ज़िंदगी आहे पराई तूं किथे ऐं मां किथे
जान जो रे पई जुदाई सुबह दम या शाम गम या रात कारी जीर जी सुबह दम या शाम गम या रात कारी जीर जी
आहे तुझी वात आई आहे तुझी वात आई तूं किथे ऐं मां किथे
जान जो रे पई जुदाई करी दुआ दिल पर तवरी हम जो छोड़ो दूर थे करी दुआ दिल पर तवरी हल जो छोड़ो दूर थे
शला मिले गमखार आई शला मिले गमखार आई तूं किथे ऐं मां किथे
जान जो रे पई जुदाई तूं किथे ऐं मां किथे
कई मुक़दर बेवफ़ाई तूं किथे ऐं मां किथे
जान जो रे पई जुदाई
All right, listeners, we were listening to the song written by Sahil Azad and sung by Suleiman Shah and Farah Junejo. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh, London, and this is Indus Melodies, the weekly radio show of Radio Voice of Sindh, London. We were discussing about the dynasties, and we discussed about the Sumra dynasty, which was from 1050 to 1351, almost 3 centuries. And before that was Arabs invaded Sindh in 711, the 8th century. century, and they ruled over Sindh till 1050, almost 3 centuries, from 711 AD to 1050 AD, they ruled over Sindh. This was the dark period of Arab invasion, and before that is Budmat era, the Budmat dynasty, the dynasty of those who worshipped Buddha, who worshipped Gautam Buddha. That was from 6 BC, 6 before Christ, which is called in local language Qable Masih, 6 Qable Masih onwards. And before that is the golden period, the great period of Indus Valley civilization, Mohenjo-daro, and that belongs to 2600 BC, Qable Masih, before Christ. What a past of this part of the globe, which is called Indus Valley civilization, or now that is called the shrunk part of Indus Valley civilization, the Sindhu, the Sindh part of this globe.
इंतजार
जलाए आए अजल इंतजार
I'm waiting for long, since centuries. This was a beautiful and rare song sung by Ustad Muhammad Yusuf, and that was chosen from Sindhi movie, one of the Sindhi pictures that is called Dushman, the enemy, and this song was selected from Dushman, sung by Ustad Muhammad Yusuf. You're listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London, and let's hear to this melody from film Barsat Di Raat, The Rainy Night, and this was written by Abdul Ghaffar Tabassum, composed by Ferozdin, and that was picturized on Poonam Bhatti, the lead heroine of the film, and this is sung by Humaira Channa, which means she is addressing to herself that you are crazy, that you have fallen in love with somebody who doesn't care for your emotions and sentiments, and you are still hoping from that individual that he will care for you. So don't do so and depart your ways from that individual. Let's listen to this beautiful but gloomy melody.
This is Dr. Terry Jackson, and you're listening to Yazir Kazi. Please listen to this show. This is a very informative show, and it will change your life.
O Pagli, we were listening to Humera Channa in Indus Melodies from Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this song was aired in the 21st edition of Indus Melodies. Apart from Indus Melodies, you can listen to two of my radio breakfast morning shows, which is called Suraj Shaakhon Kadiyon, The Sun Has Spread Its Light. These are my two Sindhi breakfast disc jockey morning shows, which are being broadcasted every Tuesday and Friday, 10 a.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time, 10:30 a.m. as per Indian Standard Time, 9 in the morning as per UAE, United Arab Emirates Standard Time, and as far as the Eastern Time is concerned, that is broadcasted almost during the midnight, right after midnight, 1 hour after the midnight, 1 a.m., 1 in the night as per Eastern Time, and that is being heard in Washington DC, New York City, and Toronto City of Canada, and the cities and areas around these cities are in GMT-4 or UTC-5, and as far as United Kingdom, the country from where this entire transmission airs, it is broadcasted at 5 a.m., 5 in the morning as per United Kingdom Standard Time. If you want to listen to these shows also, you can listen to these shows as per this timing on Tuesday and Friday. So folks who are having Balochi as their mother tongue, this is a gift for you, as yesterday's gift in Saraiki language was appreciated and welcomed by all who have Saraiki as their mother tongue, including Amara from Sangar. They were grateful for what I aired yesterday in the voice of Diba Sahad, that was Sardinal Bhurada Khilke Alaivan. And this is a gift for those who have Balochi as their first or second language, and this Balochi song is sung by Shaman Ali Mirali. So let's listen to this song, and I hope that all the Balochi speaking spectators of Indus Melodies would enjoy this melody. Here we go. So all those listeners who belong to Balochi language also must have enjoyed this song, and we all also enjoyed this song. Who doesn't know how to speak Balochi, or who doesn't understand, who have not an orientation with the Balochi language, but the language of music is international and global. So we enjoyed this melody, and Balochi is also one of the sweet languages of this land. This is the beautiful voice of Mehnaz, and this is a song from Sindhi film Darya Khan. Let's listen to this beautiful melody.
प्यार में झूमन मस्त नजारा झूमे सारी खुदाई मारू मिठरा सुखिया सतावा खुश खुश आहिन अबाणा
लथी महबूब मजाना मुझा दिल बार बहावे मुझे तो रूह जलाना तुझे मटके के दुनिया में लथी महबूब मजाना तुझे मटके के दुनिया में लथी महबूब मजाना
I cannot compare yourself with anybody in this world, oh my sweetheart. These were the lyrics of this song, Tunje Matt Kankhe Duniya Mein Nathi Mehboob Ma Jana. This was a beautiful song from Sindhi movie Darya Khan, and the lead hero of this movie was Mustafa Qureshi Sahab. Nawai Sonia. Yes, Mustafa Qureshi Sahab was the hero, was the lead of this film, and Mehnaz was singing this melody for Darya Khan, I mean the hero of the film. This song was sung by the heroine of the film for this hero, I mean the Sonia, I mean Mustafa Qureshi Sahab, and this song may be considered as a tribute to Mehnaz on her death anniversary, which we passed last week. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this is Indus Melodies, the weekly English radio show with Sindhi playlist, broadcasted by Radio Voice of Sindh London. This is Sahil Azad, and the beautiful lyrics by Sahil Azad are sung by Rajab Ali, and this is the word of Mari, who is thanking her family, her relatives, her blood relations who came to see her, and she is grateful to those and thankful to Almighty Allah that He brought her own ones to her doorsteps. Let's listen to this song.
मोतिया मिठा सजण सारा को खलो आए कोने अजीब तू ॾाढा ॾींहं ॾिठा रब तुंहिंजे तलब में सवे सूर सथा क़ुर्ब में पुठा रहूरा तू दिहड़ा आया नेठ मारू लधा दीहनाए आया नेठ मारू लधा दीहनाए सभई साण ना है सभई साण ना है ओ छॾियो किथ रहा है आया नेठ मारू लधा दीहनाए आया नेठ मारू लधा दीहनाए सभई साण ना है सभई साण ना है ओ छॾियो किथ रहा है आया नेठ मारू लधा दीहनाए आया नेठ मारू हरे साथ साथी हलिया हा सफर ते हरे साथ साथी हलिया हा सफर ते अचण अज प्या काली अचण अज प्या काली हो झूला झूलाए आया नेठ मारू लधा दीहनाए आया नेठ मारू लधा दीहनाए सभई साण नाहे सभई साण नाहे वो छॾियो किथे रहा आया नेक माण्हू ॾाढा ॾींहं नाहे आया नेक माण्हू भरियल मुंहुं मिटीअ सां लता कुल लीड़ू भरियल मुंहुं मिटीअ सां लता कुल लीड़ू उसमें पंहिंजो हेॾो उसमें पंहिंजो हेॾो वेठा कीअं बीजाए आया नेक माण्हू ॾाढा ॾींहं नाहे आया नेक माण्हू ॾाढा ॾींहं नाहे सभई साण नाहे सभई साण नाहे वो छॾियो किथे रहा आया नेक माण्हू ॾाढा ॾींहं नाहे आया नेक माण्हू पुछा हाल तिन खां अबे ऐं असीअ जो पुछा हाल तिन खां अबे ऐं असीअ जो ॾिठमकीन आहिनि ॾिठमकीन आहिनि वलण में बचाए आया नेक माण्हू ॾाढा ॾींहं नाहे आया नेक माण्हू ॾाढा ॾींहं नाहे सभई साण नाहे सभई साण नाहे हो छॾियो किथे रहा आया नेक माण्हू ॾाढा ॾींहं नाहे आया नेक माण्हू अहमद शाह उन्हनि खे अवसारियो मराठी अहमद शाह उन्हनि खे अवसारियो मराठी मुंहिंजी बाग दिल दे मुंहिंजी बाग दिल दे बाल छल बराए आया नेक माण्हू ॾाढा ॾींहं नाहे आया नेक माण्हू ॾाढा ॾींहं नाहे सभई साण नाहे सभई साण नाहे हो छॾियो किथे रहा आया नेक माण्हू ॾाढा ॾींहं नाहे
Alright folks, these were the colors of today's Indus Melodies, our weekly radio English show being broadcasted and disseminated by Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this was 21st edition of Indus Melodies, which was presented for your listening pleasure. And this show is being broadcasted 3 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time every Saturday, every week, and I hope that if you have listened to this show for the very first time, you would be the regular spectators of this show, and I hope that you would attend this meetup next week also. I'm going to wrap up the show and concluding this show with the poetry of Hazrat Sachal Sai, which is a Saraiki song, again a Saraiki gift for all those who have Saraiki as their first language or the mother tongue, the sweet mother tongue. Saraiki itself is a sweet language. So it says that Gund khol didar vekhao mein aya mukh vekhan. Please unveil your face. I have come to see you. And the researchers of Sachal Sarmast who have researched over the poetry of Sachal Sarmast claim against this kafi that this is written in the background of Mehraj, the night of Mehraj, and this may be considered and counted among one of the naats, one of the poetries written in the glory of the Holy Prophet of Islam, Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is sung by various singers including Abida Parveen Jiji, but right now I am going to air its cover sung by Shaukat Ali, an a forthcoming singer, Sindhi singer from Thar. So I hope that you would appreciate this attempt by Shaukat Ali, the upcoming singer, because he deserves and needs your appreciation and encouragement because he is a great singer in making. So let's appreciate Shaukat Ali by airing this song. If you want to extend your feedback against this show or Suraj Shahun Kadiyum or any of the part of the transmission of Radio Voice of Sindh London, you can do so, and please do so. I would request to do so. Please extend your feedback on our email, which is info@radiovoiceofsindh.com or DJYSIRQAZI DJYasirqazi@yahoo.com. If you want to follow me on Twitter, my Twitter handle is @RJYasirqazi, @RJYSIRQAZI. If you want to follow me on Facebook, my Facebook page is facebook.com/DJYasirqazi DJYSIRQAZI. Don't forget that I'm RJ on Twitter and I'm DJ on Facebook. If you want to like, subscribe and share with your friends my YouTube channel, that is with the name of Yasir Qazi, YSIRQAZI. I'm in youtube.com/FMWQY. So we would be meeting inshallah if the circumstances permitted and God wanted, inshallah Aziz, on Tuesday morning, which would be January 26th, the 26th day of January, and inshallah we will meet at 10 in the morning as per Pakistan Standard Time and 5 in the morning as per UK Standard Time. So praying for the sound health of all of you and happiness is real joys for the lives of all of you listening out there, and even you are not listening, I'm praying for all of you. This is me, Yasir Qazi, the host and the executive producer of Indus Melodies, signing out from Karachi studios of Radio Voice of Sindh, London, saying you aloha, take care, goodbye, Allah Hafiz, Moklani nahe sadain gaddu, tata and bye-bye, over and out, Allah Nigehban.
खोल दीदारे वेखाओ मैं आया मुख वेखण नू कुंड खोल दीदारे वेखाओ मैं आया मुख वेखण नू आया मुख वेखण 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 कुंड खोल दीदारे वेखाओ मैं आया मुख वेखण नू पापा जेब पैरां विच कड़ियां पापा जेब पैरां विच कड़ियां पापा ज़ेब पैरां विच कड़ियां, पापा ज़ेब पैरां विच कड़ियां, छेरियां कू छमकाओ मैं आया मुख वेखण नूं, छेरियां कू छमकाओ मैं आया मुख वेखण नूं, आया मुख वेखण, 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 गुंड खोल दीदार वेखाओ मैं आया मुख वेखण नूं। पहर पोशाकां वेस गुलाबी, पहर पोशाकां वेस गुलाबी, पहर पोशाकां वेस गुलाबी, पहर पोशाकां वेस गुलाबी, छोटा चंदन चढ़ाओ मैं आया मुख वेखण नूं, छोटा चंदन चढ़ाओ मैं आया मुख वेखण नूं, आया मुख वेखण, 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 गुंड खोल दीदार वेखाओ मैं आया मुख वेखण नूं। हाल सचलदा मालूम तैकू, हाल सचलदा मालूम तैकू, हाल सचलदा मालूम तैकू, हाल सचलदा मालूम तैकू, साहिल को न सिकाओ मैं आया मुख वेखण नूं, साहिल को न सिकाओ मैं आया मुख वेखण नूं, आया मुख वेखण, 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 गुंड खोल दीदार वेखाओ मैं आया मुख वेखण नूं।
सिंधु मुहिंजी अमा सूह तुहिंजी मथा छा लिखी, छा लिखां छा लिखी, छा लिखां ओ सिंधु मुहिंजी अमा।
दुनिया जा सिंधियो हिक मुठ थी सिंध बचायो।
सिंधु मुहिंजी अमा सूह तुहिंजी मथा छा लिखां।
सिंध जो क़ौमी आवाज़ रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन। रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन पंहिंजी नशरियात में सिंध जी सियासत, समाज, इक़्तिसादियात, तारीख़, क़ौमी उमंगुनि ऐं इख़्लाक़ियात मुतलिक़ सिंध जी हक़ीक़ी तर्जमानी कंदे प्रोग्रामनि खे असराइतो बणाइण लाइ सिंध जे घण घुरनि ऐं धरतीअ सां प्यार कंदड़ अदीबनि, दानिशवरनि, सहाफ़ियुनि, उस्तादनि वकीलनि ऐं हर तबिके जे मान वारनि सजणनि खे सिंध में शौरी इनकलाब लाइ सहकार जो सॾु ॾियूं था। अचो त गॾिजी सूफ़ियुनि ऐं संतनि वारी सिंध जो ओज हिकु मुठ थी वरी वापसि आणण वारे सफ़र जा साथारी बणिजऊं। हिकु नए सुबुह जी शुरूआत जो पड़ाॾो घर घर ॻोठ ॻोठ ऐं शहर शहर ताईं पहुचायो। शाल सिंध आबाद ऐं ख़ुशहाल थिए, सिंधी माण्हू सुखियो ऐं सताबो थिए।